Hey everyone, tonight we are here at the Magic Kingdom for the opening night of Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. We're going to be checking out everything from trick-or-treating, the parade, the fireworks, trying some new food, and most importantly, having a fun night. So let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Running now through October 31st on select nights, Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party is a separate ticketed Halloween event located at Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World. There is plenty of things to do, from trick-or-treating, catching the parade, fireworks, Hocus Pocus show, dance parties, food, and plenty of other things around the park. Now, in terms of the ticket prices will be around $109 to $199 for this event. This event runs from 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. Guests can get in as soon as 4 p.m. And once you head inside, you'll get two things: a map and your wristband. The reason why these are going to be your two most important things for the party is because the map will show you where everything is, and wristband will let you into the party as a confirmed guest. As soon as you enter inside, there's all sorts of fall decorations in Main Street, USA, and there's also the Mickey Mouse wreaths on the lampposts, finally. But as soon as you turn right at Town Square Theater, there is two meet and greet locations. There is the Jack and Sally meet and greet, and there is the Mickey Mouse meet and greet. At 7 o'clock, that's when Mickey will be in his Halloween costume. And for Jack and Sally, that's when they start meeting at 4 o'clock. And this will be the most popular meet and greet. So if you want to see them, either see them early or see them when the first parade happens. There is the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party sign where it says "This way to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party." Hello, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Let's do this.
Yeah. And then the omnibus is decorated where there's the sign again for the Mickey's Not Scary Halloween Party.
Right-hand side to get those treat guys. Enter the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween
Happy Halloween.
Hello, welcome in.
But once you head over to your right, there is a special entrance area where there's a live DJ, and you can even get some Halloween candy to start off your trick-or-treating adventure. Oh wow, look, there's Musketeer Donald with his pumpkin. There's all sorts of fog. There is Jester Goofy. There's even Princess Minnie and Musketeer Pluto, along with the DJ. And then there is the trick-or-treating area where we can get some candy. Hello, happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Start off on our trick-or-treating adventure. We got a peanut M&M's mega size as well, which is so cool. While we couldn't see her, Cruella de Vil would be at the stage in Market Street meeting guests. After that, there is a Legend of Sleepy Hollow photo op where you can take a picture behind the Headless Horseman. It is also important to note that if you have any allergies, you can redeem a teal Halloween trick-or-treat bag, so where you can get tokens along the way at many of the trick-or-treating trails, and eventually you can redeem them at City Hall in Main Street or in Liberty Square. One of the first stops I wanted to make for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party was the merchandise. As we can see, there is a special spirit jersey that's going for $80. There's also a Halloween mug along with a Halloween ornament. Then there's also the trick-or-treat headbands along with the special merchandise for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party for $34.99, where we can see this glow-in-the-dark t-shirt with Mickey and Friends, a Hocus Pocus Villain Spectacular 2024 t-shirt for $34.99 with the Sanderson sisters on the back, a limited edition pin set, the official Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party pin that's going for $17.99, a glow-in-the-dark trick-or-treat Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party t-shirt, the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party bag, a Sanderson Sisters tumbler, Right now it is 7 p.m. I thought we would do a little meet and greet with Goofy, Donald, Daisy, and Minnie here in Pete's Silly Sideshow. Right now there is no wait time at the moment, but thought we'd go ahead, head inside. Nearby the Fantasyland tent, there's also a Mr. Toad's Wild Ride photo op as well. Now, while I waited in line for the characters, I thought it was perfect time to discuss every character you can find at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. As said before, Main Street USA has Mickey and Jack and Sally. You can also meet Jafar, Aladdin, Jasmine, Abu, Genie, Captain Jack Sparrow, and Moana in Adventureland. In Frontierland, you can find Big Al, Shaker, Wendell roaming around. At Fantasyland, there is Drizella and Anastasia, Ariel and Prince Eric, Belle, Alice, Mad Hatter, Tweedledee and Tweedledum, Queen of Hearts, Winnie Pooh and his friends, and of course, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy, along with 2 new characters for this year's event, Mirabelle and Bruno. And last but not least, you can find Stitch in his Halloween costume in Tomorrowland. Alright then. Well, hello you guys. Happy Halloween. I love the costumes. Is it okay to get a picture with you guys? Oh, look at that. Looks like Pluto's out here meeting guests. It's so cool. We just got out of the meet and greet. In total, we waited around an hour, but it was so fun seeing all of the characters in their Halloween costumes. And we even got an autograph at the end, so I would say it's worth it. But right now, it is almost 8 o'clock. So I think right now, we're going to go ahead and head over to Cosmic Rays. And we're now at Cosmic Rays. We have some of the exclusive special ticket event food items. We have the Halloween pot roast sandwich with cheddar and horseradish mayonnaise served on a black bun with french fries. There's also the terrifying twice spiced chicken sandwich with spicy fried chicken breast dipped in hot honey and topped with pepper jack cheese, jalapeno poppers, and bacon. And there's the jalapeno poppers. So let's go ahead and try it. This chicken sandwich is pretty good. It's not overly hot, but has that kick to it as well. Then we have this special Halloween dessert called Witch's Fingers. These are purple cookie fingers with sour apple mousse and green apple boa pearls. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Now the Witch's Fingers was pretty good. I thought the sour apple mousse and the cookie itself were both sweet and delicious. But I think right now, we're going to go ahead and see what else is here in Tomorrowland. And now it is time we do trick-or-treat spot number 2 nearby the Carousel Progress. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Thank you!
Have a good night!
You as well! Just got our candy at Carousel Progress. It's also important to note that when you see these trick-or-treat lights, this is where trick-or-treat spots will be located. But I think right now we're going to go ahead and walk over to Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor since they have the show open. And you can even get candy in there. Hello, happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Hope you have a great night.
You too?
At the Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, once you're done with trick-or-treating, the monsters have all sorts of sketches with the audience. Rather than having a full show, it's also a great time to discuss trick-or-treating in general. There's over 15 different locations around the lands, and for example, there's one at Tiana's by Adventure, one at Gaston's Tavern, and one near Tron. At the event as well, there are also 2 dance parties. At Rock Tower Plaza Stage, there is the Descend Dance Party inspired by the new Descendants film. And in Cosmic Rays, there's the Disney Junior Jam, with all sorts of Disney Junior characters like Vampirina and Fancy Nancy. That tea party at Fantasyland has a Halloween twist, where there is all sorts of lights and fog effects, and even Halloween music. With the Halloween twists as well, it's also
as for some of the rides,
For example, in terms of popularity, both Tiana's Tron and Seven Dwarfs Mine Train were the longest waits of night, with both of them having 40-minute long wait times. This year, Tiana's and Tron doesn't have a virtual queue, so you can just go through regular standby and wait in line, rather than having to worry about a virtual queue before riding. But the two other rides that are very popular are Space Mountain and Haunted Mansion. The reason why is because Space Mountain and Haunted Mansion have a Halloween twist. In Space Mountain, you go through deep space and ride Coaster in complete darkness. While at Haunted Mansion, you can meet Madame Leota near the queue before you enter inside the mansion. At many of the popcorn stands, there's the Mickey Halloween popcorn bucket with the pumpkin, and it'll cost $26. We're now in Adventureland. There is a special 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea photo op with the octopus, and across from me there is a trick-or-treat area where you can get some candy. But I think we're going to go ahead, do the photo op, and then see a pirate band called the Rusty Cutlass. This is a pirate band that plays intermittently from 7:15 to 11:50 p.m. They play nearby the Pirates Caribbean stage, so we go ahead and watch the Rusty Cutlass.
Pirates to join his crew. Brave buccaneers, might that be you? Here's your chance to sail around the world with Captain Jack on the famous Black Pearl. All right, who wants to be a pirate? Line up right here in front of us. Come on. Young or old, we don't care. Big or small. Right there. You stand right there. You stand next to her. Come on, pirates. Line up. Come on, come on. Try.
Hey! What? What's a pirate's favorite cookie?
What?
Ships ahoy!
Hey! What lies at the bottom of the ocean and twitches? A nervous wreck.
Hey! What is Captain Hook's favorite breakup line?
What?
It's not you. It's me. How?
Hey! What's the pirate's favorite letter?
What?
Yeah. He likes R, but he loves the sea. Wait. I think it could be the letter P.
P?
Yeah, because without the letter P, a pirate would just be irate.
Nah, you know what a pirate's favorite letter is? A letter of pardon from the governor. Oh!
Hey! What's the matter with the crew, me and you? I think I know. Hey! What do we need on the ship for this trip? Down in the hold. Hey! Make sure you find it and you get some, you'll love some. Thank your favorite pirate. Come and get your rum.
Rusty Cutlass. That's Rusty with an R. And we hope you enjoy the rest of your evening here at Mickey's Not So Scary.
Oh, your little white house turns green. Your little white house turns green. Your little white house turns green. Hocus Pocus is a hocus pocus. If you got a witch's brew, whatever you want to do, take to circulate. trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. Keep smiling until then. We gotta get heading back to the boathouse. It's been fun singing for y'all, and I hope we see you again real soon. Happy trails to you till we meet
I didn't realize, but the Country Bears are all out with their new costumes. It's so cool, but we just got to see the Cadaver Dance. This is a Halloween version of the Dapper Dance. Well, those two shows, they were very fun to watch. I think right now we're going to go ahead and watch Disney's Not So Spooky Fireworks Spectacular. And we're now here at Disney's Not So Spooky Spectacular. This is a fireworks show. It lasts around 12 minutes. This happens at 10 p.m. And there is projections, a 13-foot Jack Skellington puppet, fireworks all around Magic Kingdom, and many more. So we have seconds till fireworks show begins. Let's go ahead and watch it.
It's wonderful to have you here, for I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, frightful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween.
we just watched Disney's Not So Spooky Fireworks Spectacular. In my opinion, it's an amazing fireworks show with so many cool projections, and the puppet itself is very impressive, even as far away from where I can see it. But overall, it is definitely a must-watch when visiting Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Right now we have Hocus Pocus Villain Spectacular. This is a 20-minute long stage show at Cinderella Castle where it happens multiple times per night. And for the next showing, it's at 10:35. So let's go ahead and get our spot for the Hocus Pocus Villain Spectacular.
Soul, don't you? Make your wildest dreams come true. I got things I ain't even tried. And I got friends on the other side. You're changing, all right. I hope you're satisfied. But if you ain't, don't blame me. You can blame my friends on the other.
You can't stop the things I do. I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. Here comes the story of my heart. Hey, I say
And we just got out of the Hocus Pocus Villain Spectacular. That show is so fun. The performers are incredible. The projections and effects as well were very impressive. And it's just a fun and enjoyable show that I would honestly recommend. But right now, there is so many people on Main Street, and we have around 20 or so minutes before the Boo Parade happens. Mickey's Boo To You Halloween Parade is a parade that starts at Frontierland and ends in Main Street, USA, where you can see Mickey and his friends along with some villains in this 15-minute parade that is honestly a must-watch. Mickey's Boo To You Parade happens twice per night. It's at 8:15 p.m. and there's also a second showing at 11:15 as well. Before the parade, there is the Headless Horseman walking down the parade route, along with the special pre-show that happens in Main Street with Powerline Max. So I think before we lose our spot, let's go ahead and watch Mickey's Boo To You Halloween Parade.
Happy harvest, happy holidays, happy Halloween!
As soon as we're heading out, we can see the pumpkin saying, "See ya real soon." And we just got out of Mickey's Boo To You Halloween Parade. It was such a fun parade. It's pretty much the same like last year, with a few additions along the way. But I think it is definitely a must-watch if you're heading over to Mickey's Not Scary Halloween Party. I definitely recommend getting there like 30 minutes before the parade begins. But I think that being said, that's going to be it with our adventure here at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. We did a lot. We saw Goofy, Minnie, Daisy, and Donald. We got to try some of the new food. Got to see the fireworks, the parade, Hocus Pocus, the Cadaver Dance, the Pirate Band, and we even did some trick-or-treating as well. My biggest advice when coming to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, like all Disney events, because there's so much to do, definitely prioritize what you want to do.
When it came to the party as well, there's a few other things that happen off camera. For example, there's hitchhiking ghosts in Frontierland, and even some other villains such as Maleficent and the Evil Queen near the train station.
Honestly, Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party is a fun Halloween event. Whether it's trick-or-treating around Magic Kingdom, seeing the fireworks, the parade, or even meeting some of the characters. If you want to book tickets, I'll definitely book it sooner rather than later since they are selling out fast. But I think with that being said, that's going to be a wrap on our adventure here at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Let me know in the comments, are you planning on going to this event? And if so, what are you most excited for? As always, if you want to help support the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and follow for more. And as always, until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.